First possession, go. Team now. Joseph Barger, number 27, Lana Oni, jersey number 3, Abel now. Pass to jersey number 99, Lanzaga, Sigatoy. Wala na Oni, jersey number 27, Cristino pa rin. Cristino. Shot na 15, number 6, Sigatoy, no good. Na Oni, kulog na, Sigatoy, 2 points. Number 99, out the pass, same ball. Lonzaga, rapidly violation, ball na pabalik sa Joby Carr. Cristino now, setting up play. Pass number 6, corner. Balik sa kanya. Pass number 2, balik sa kanya. Cristino, shot lang rin. Pass number 4, inangat. Pinali pa, wala na ako ni sa kanya, 14, shot lang. Number 19, kulong na rin. Inangat, wala na ako ni Lonzaga. Lonzaga now. Pass number 0. Jersey number 0 ng pasa. Tingnan tusugod na ako ng 99 using the board. Wala. 99 pa rin. Pass number 0. Tingnan 2 points. Jersey number 27 now. Setting a play. Cristino now. Pass number 2. Number 2 pa rin. Number 2. Pass number 4. Inside. Number 27. Shot lang rin. Number 6, 5, turn over ang team ng Joby Carr. Bola pabalik sa Ross Lee. Number 99, outlet pass kay Abelio. Bata, 2 points. Number 2 now, setting a play. Jersey number 2. Shot lang 15, pass to number 27, Cristino. Intercept number 99, outlet pass kay Perez. Bata, 2 points. Biaber now, pinag sa kalaban, number 2. Jersey number 2, and 2 points. Biaber now. Pass to number 29, 22 pala, to number 99, Lonzaga now. Shot clock 15. Abelio, tingnan 2, no good. Now on number 6, pass to number 2. Jersey number 2 rin. Jersey number 2 pumasok, nakapas kay number 27. Inikot, off court. All 6 ang official score. Itim ng katabi ko. Perez now, to Lonzaga. Shot clock 14. Number 0, take a 2 points. Cristino now. Cristino pa rin. Cristino, shot clock 15. Cristino pa rin. Shot clock 10. Take a 3, no good. So na ako na number 0. Jersey number 0 pa rin. Jersey number 0 nagpala ulit. Side step boom. Nauli na ako ni Biaber now. Take a 2, no good. Number 6 now. Nagkana ng papasahan. Pass to Cristino now. Pass number 2. Take a 2 again. Back to back. All 8 now. Binali pa, wala na. Ako na number 2. Number 27, Cristino now. Cristino. Shot clock 15. Take a 2. Using board. No good. Perez now. Perez. Pass number 0. Take a 2. 2 points. Ready for stop. Number 6 now. Jersey number 6 Fred. Setting of lane. Number 6. Pass number 27. Shot clock 15. Crisino now. Truck Coluna. The number 4 out of play. Iangat. Foul committed jersey number 23. Abelio. That is your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots para kay Sinsay. Time remaining 48 and 50. Number 99, back service mixing now. Outlet pass, Villaferte. Kadri. No good now. Inside pass to Reyes. Reyes, pass number 26, inside now. To Reyes again. Pass to number 16. Wala. Now to Villaferte. Ready for the stop. Abelio, take up 2 points. Ready for timeout para sa team ng Josicar. Reyes now. Reyes, number sa drop, basket number 6, 2 points. Official score, 10-12, Abelio now. Abelio, Yuri Ward, wala na, only Reyes now. Reyes pa rin. Reyes, number sa Jason Wolf, foul committed jersey number 99. Gonzaga, that is your first personal foul, second team foul. On the ball. Pass to Reyes now. Reyes, dapat. Huli. Same ball now. The referee shot clock. 14. Number 15. Out, kay Reyes now. Pass to number 15, shot clock 10. Number 16, out to no good. Kaya only Abelio now. Out that pass by sila. Number 6, new break, 2 points, all 12. Number 0 now. Pinasa sa kalaban. Sinsay now. Sinsay. Take a 3 point. Turnover again para sa team ng CrossFit. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45. Reyes now. Reyes pa rin. Shot clock 15. Number 14. Inangat. Wala na ako ni number 0. Jersey number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Size them 2 points. Gandang galaw. Number 6 now. Pass to nakalaban para magkabilis. Abelio now. Pass to Nino. Number 0. Foul committed jersey number 15. Time out. Team CrossFit. Number 0 for Abelio now. Shot clock 10. Perez, Kadri, Perez, Pamona. Lock. Number 15. To Reyes now. Reyes now. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to number 15. Kadri, Perez. Shot clock 10. 2 points for number 0. Number 15. Pass to Nino. Number 0 now. foul committed jersey number 14, inside. That is the first personal foul. Second team foul. 1 minute, seconds to go. 55 seconds remaining. To number 99, don't tag it out. Believe. Balik tayo doon po na. Red. To number 19. Number 50 now. 25 seconds remaining. Villabella now. 20 seconds remaining. Perez. Back to. Good lead. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Number 0, take a 2, no good. Now only me, number 0. Basa na lang po. Official score, 17 to 19 in favor of Roslyn.
Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Number 3 pass to 27 Reyes. Pass to inside. No good. Jersey number 45. Jersey number 8. Now intercept the jersey number 27 Reyes. Napakabilis. Nagmamadali. Napakabilis. Out of bounds, save. Substitution. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 out. Jersey number 16. 16 pass to jersey number 90 pass 16. Shot back, down to 5. Jersey number 3, no. Jersey number 16. Pass back to boys. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 8. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 8. Shot, down there. Jersey number 84. No. Jersey number 45. 5 seconds to shoot. Basa na lang po. Good. Jersey number 4. Pass to number 27. Jersey number 27, setting a play. Shot clock down 15. Pass to Reyes again. There, inside. Umikot. Ulga, Nawari. Jersey number 14, Jersey number 14. Ulga, Nawari, Jersey number 8. And one, who's ball red? Jersey number 16, Mata. Personal foul. First team foul. Last bonus throw. Para jersey number 8. Ayan, substitution. Jersey number 4, back to jersey number 27. 27 centimeters, pass jersey number 6, shot up, down 15. No good, carry for the jersey number 45, number 27. 3-0 for 2, basket to 1. Papasa na lang ako ng BB Joseph. Jersey number 17. Pass to number 8. All 21 points per half. All 21. Dead clock 21. Jersey number 27. Pass to Mata. Inangat. Basket 2 points. Kaya mga naunang dalawa ang team Joseph. Pass to number 24. For 3. No good. Jersey number 7 kawan dulu. Pass to. Nah, intercepted jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 pass to number 45. Sinangan no good. Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 16 mantap. Pass to jersey number 27. Napagod pass. Pass off. Basketball. Angat nasa apat. Ang inahabol ng team Rosley. Jersey number 8 setting a three. Pass to jersey number 24. Shot that down to the shot that down to where jersey number 7 over now. Nakuha niyo jersey number 7. Ang linis jersey number 8 with crossover. Pass to number 17. Foul. Time out. First throw. Basket. Last throw para number 17. No good na rin ni jersey number 27. Papasok tatlo. Jersey number 27. Ka-intercept ball na mapupunta sa same ball. Shot clock down to 15. Mata for 2. Terbuka lari dari jersey number 45. Pass to number 17. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number. Simula kita natin na number 0 pala. Basket is good. Malaki jersey number 0. Isa na lang ang inahabol ng team. Rosley, jersey number 27. Pass jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 2 for 3. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Jersey number 45. Basket good boy. Change Bigo. Lalang ng isa ang Rosley. Jersey number 6 for 3. No good. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 0. Who's forward? Jersey number 27, Crispin. Third. First personal foul, third team foul. Time out. Joseph. LB. Bonus throw. Basket. Angat sa apat. Ang hinahabol ng team Josica. Crescino pass to jersey number 15. For 3. Logo. Nari for me. Jersey number 7 pass to jersey number 2. Logo. Nari for 17. Namalay. Jersey number 7 pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Dios pasa jersey number 27. Inangat Nolus. Nari mo ni jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 0. Benching lang sa kanya. Jersey number 0. Shot down natin jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 9. Basta 2 points para sa kanya. Jersey number 8 pala. Ready for substitution. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 72. Kumanda. Unit Megha. With power. Substitution. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 2 out. Oras natin 3 minutes exactly. Substitution. Jersey number 9 pass to jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 6 pass to 0-0. Reyes. Pass to napakalipat ulit na uwa na pa. Who's covered? Jersey number 99. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw. Basket. No good. Bola makawin sa Rosby. Yes, number 8. Pass to number 99, pass to number 0. Yes, number 0, pass to number 8. Pass to number 0. Yes, number 0, pass to. Shot down to 10. Now, I can see yes, pass to yes, number 8, pull up to basket. Yes, number 27, pass to 90, pass to 27. Pass to yes, number 97, yes, number 8, yes, number 8. Pass to number 70, pass to number 0. No good, pass to yes, number 7, pass to yes, number 8. Yes, number 8, tumigo. Basket! Back, 2 points! Yes, number 8. Time out! Josica. Jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 27, Cristino. Cristino pass to Reyes. Pass to jersey number 6, 4-3. No good, jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 4, pass to jersey number 27, Cristino. Nagkakaroon na ako at ulit. Ano ba? Bola, magpapalik sa Rosby. Ready for substitution, Jersey number 6 out, jersey number 4 in. Jersey number 8, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Jersey number 0 for 2, back, basket 2 points. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Shut down, down 50. 4 seconds. Sayawan move. Rest. Rapid violation. 5 seconds. Jersey number 99. Jersey number 99. Sa akin na to. Pass to jersey number 0. Inangat. Basket 2 points. 25 seconds. Shut down is off. 20 seconds. Jersey number 15. Pulling out. Now what is it? Basket. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Basket to 5 seconds. Basket na ako marinig nyo. End of the first half. Score natin 26 lamang. Jersey South Ball. Third quarter na po. Ay, Rosby. Jersey number 99 pass to jersey number 70. Pass to 99. Shut up, down, jersey number 75. No good, Puguli. Nakakuha sa foul. Jersey number 90 pushing foul. Jersey number 0, no good, jersey number 0, Perez, now on jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 17, no good, jersey number 0, foul, who's foul back? Second personal foul, second team foul. Last throw. Miss. Jersey number 3. Nasulitan. Save ball. Jersey number 07, shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 16, no good. Nahali mo ni. Jersey number 0, napakalaki pinasakay. Jersey number 16, Manta. Go to, no good. Nahali mo jersey number 19, basketball. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Tiga nama nakita si jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, basketball. Jersey number 16 Manta, Huliga, Nawali. Jersey number 17 napakalaki pass to Perez. Pass to jersey number 19, pass to Perez. Pass to jersey number 19, go three. No good, jersey number 19. Goes foul red. Walang foul. Labas lang. Jersey number 00, Reyes. Pass to jersey number 3, pass to number 16. Basket. Jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 0 for 2. Basket, no good. Nawal jersey number 00. Jersey number 00. Jersey number 00. Jersey number 00. Pass to jersey number 26. Pass to number 3. Nasagad ka ng pasa yun. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to Perez. Pass to jersey number 70. Pass to Perez again for 2. No good. Nalibang din jersey number 0. Napakalaki. Basket to points. Jersey number 00. Score natin. 34-47. Basket to points para kay jersey number 16. Jersey number 0. Pass to Perez. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to Telford. Shot clock down the middle. Ready for substitution. Jersey number 99. Pass jersey number 0. Tulikan awal jersey number 2. Pass to 5-2. Nakita sila ni Perez. Shot clock down the middle. Perez pinunod ng 3. No good. Nalibaw ni jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 26. Sitsay. Number 26. Pull up 2. No good. Nalibaw jersey number 99. Pass to Sayawa. Jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 0. Easy 2 goals. Dead ball po. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 00. 00, setting up play. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 3 for 3. No good. Nalibaw ni jersey number 0. Out of bounds. Ross, main ball. Sub. Jersey number 10 for Perez. Pass number 99, pass to Perez. Ready for substitution. Shot clock down to 3. Nalibang jersey number 14, pass to 00. 00 side step. Foul. Rose Valwet, jersey number 99. Second personal foul, first team foul, substitution. Basket ang last row. Oras natin 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 39-2, 37. Jersey number 17 pass to jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 24-2. Basket to go. Jersey number 00. Pass to jersey number 6 for 3, no good. Nari, no good. Jersey number 40 na baka, no good. Nag-awan, jersey number 19, no good. Nag-awan, jersey number 40, no good. Nag-awan, jersey number 99. Hindi nalako doon ah. Jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 24, pull up 2, no good. Nari, jersey number 45, jersey number 17, baka na. No good. Nari, jersey number 40. Ulit, nakakuha na. Jersey number 24. First, personal foul, second team foul, substitution. Sub. Jersey number 16 pass to Crisino. Crisino was all good. Pass to jersey number 16. Pull up. No good. No jersey number 24. Pass to 17. Pass to jersey number 17 again. Pass to jersey number 8. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 24 for 3. No good. Nine jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 27 to Crisino. Pinasa jersey number 16 over Caliban jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Wow. Substitute jersey number 16. Second, jersey number 3rd, team foul. 2 minutes and 13 seconds ang oras natin. Score 51-37. Jersey number 8, Cedric Green. Pass to jersey number 22, pull up 2. No good, jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 27, Crisino. Jersey number 6, no good, jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 8. Shot down 15. Jersey number 4 at ang Aspares. Substitution. Oras natin 1 minute and 35 seconds. Crisino pa to jersey number 2. Pass to number 4. Jersey number 4 shot down to 12. Jersey number 4 pull up to no good. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 pull up to no good. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Shot down 15. Bata agad ang bata. Ready for substitution. 55 seconds. Pass to jersey number 6. For 3. No good. Nari ulit. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 pass to jersey number 8 for 2. Basket 2 points. 14 seconds. Jersey number 3. 35 seconds. Shot clock down 2. 30 seconds. Shot down to 10. Wait 5 seconds. No good. Now there's no good. Now one out. Time out. Rossi. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 8. 15 seconds. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 24. 10 seconds. Jersey number 17. 5 seconds.
Masuk.
Jersey number 2. Pass to Crisino. Crisino setting up play. Pass to jersey number 3. Intercept. Now on jersey number 2. 15 shoot. Pass to Crisino. Side step. Basket. 2 points. Jersey number 40. Shot clock down to 15. Jersey number 70 pass, 20 pass, 17 for 3. No good, jersey number 19. Jersey number 27. Crisino pass, jersey number 19 for 2. No good, jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 40. Pass to jersey number 23. Pull up 2. No good, jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 15. 15 napabilis. 15. Pinasa sa kalawan lang napabilis. Pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Nangatagod na naman yung patin. Bao. Unit. Bao. First round left. Jersey number 3. Substitution. Third personal foul. First team foul. Basket. Last throw. Basket again. Jersey number 27, Crisino. Pass to jersey number. Jersey number 15. Pass to number 6. Shot clock down to 10. Logan number jersey number 15. Basket 2 points. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 22. Basket 2 points. Jersey number 00, Reyes. Pass to jersey number 643. Jersey number 40, pass number 17. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 23. Pass number 17, napakit ang likod. Basket 2 points. Ay, long 2. Marina. Jersey number 27, no, wala naman jersey number 27 again. Jersey number 27, nakakalap ng pasa. Tasado, alam mo ang pasa! Basket! Laro lang, pinaglaruan pa. Grabe yun. Goal score. Oras 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Jersey number 22, pass to jersey number 40. Jersey number 22, Oigi. Pass to jersey number 24, jersey number 90. Pass number 27, Crisino. Crisino, nagpapabalik. Crisino, pass to jersey number 6. Alba. Bola, pupunta sa Rossi. Both teams may tagdalaw tayo. Time out. Oras 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Jersey number 22. Shot clock down to 10. Pass to jersey number 0. Basket 2 points. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 0. Napakabilis. Jersey number 0. Basket 2 points. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Ready for substitution. 17. Nagabot ang wak. Nakakita si Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 23. Naunan mo lang sa pinakalugang. Now on jersey number 15. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 0. Pinangat pa. Jersey number 11. iPhone. First quarter time, second time. Rossi. The score 49-61. First throw, basket. Last throw. Basket again. Satu lang ang hinabol. Jersey number 0, basket 2 points. Jersey number 00. Jersey number 6, 3 points. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 23, basket. Time out. Jessica, the score ko natin 65-54. Lamang ng 11 ang team. Cristino. Nagdadalang bola. Pass to jersey number 6, 48. Jersey number 90. Pass to jersey number 6, Gatawa, Tata, Bampen, jersey number 55, no, jersey number 6, basket. Jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 99, jersey number 99, foul, jersey number 6. Set first, jersey number foul, second team foul. Jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 99, pass to jersey number 23, jersey number 23, no good, jersey number 90, pass to jersey number 27, jersey number 27, Cristino, pass to jersey number 16, Mata, basket, babas sa pito. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Oras natin, 65-58. Dito, nalamang na ako ng team, Joscar. Jersey lang 27 pass na siya sa team. Matang fake, pula na narito ni jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 0. Pass. Good foul left. Then foul jersey number 6. First personal foul, team foul. Jersey number 17, Sayaman, Inaman, Togut, nakalabang jersey number 19. Pass to number 27, Cristino. Cristino, Ulga, down jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 99, Togut, nakalabang jersey number 99, pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Vinicius ang bola. Shot lock, down to 10. Jersey number 20, pass jersey number 70, pass number 99, basket 2 points. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 76, pass shot lock, down to 10. Cristino, pass jersey number 68, step back, Togut, jersey number 90. Jersey number 7, tahu bola, lawan jersey number 7, pass jersey number 20, basket. Dito ang magandang inakbol ng team Joscar. Jersey number 0, jersey number 0, basket 2 points. Red ball substitution, jersey number 16, Mata, set 8, pass to jersey number 43. Anin na lang ang habol ng team First row, basket. Jersey number 15, setting a three. Score now is 71-63. Laban ng 8. Jersey number 27, pass. Jersey number 6, big pass. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, basketball. Jersey number 8, pass. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Foul. Jersey number 6. Second personal foul, penalty. Joseph Kam, penalty. Team Roslyn, second team foul para po ngayon. Oras natin 2 minutes 39. Last throw. No good, nakalimutan ng jersey number 4. Jersey number 00, pass to the 2. Jersey number 15, Nawani, asal defense para Jersey number 3. Pasok pinasa, saan na ba pass to Jersey number 8, pass number 0. No good, Jersey number 00, pass to Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 pass, Jersey number 15 pass, Jersey number 4. No good, Jersey number 23. 2 minutes exactly. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 17. Pass to Jersey number 23. Pass to 0. Basket 2 points. Score nothing 74-65. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 0-0. Pass to Jersey number 6 for 3. No good. Nani Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Pass to Jersey number 23. Easy 2 points. Angat sa outside out ng Jersey number 16. Mata for 3. No good. Jersey number 99. Jersey number 8, all starting. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 23, pass to Sakalawan. Out of bounds, Jersey number. One minute exactly para sa ating fourth quarter na Jersey number 15. 50 seconds. Basket 2 points para 0-0. Balik siya. 41 seconds. 45 seconds. Jersey number 99. Pass 0-0. Basket 2 points para 0. 40 seconds. Jersey number 6. Cross over. Side step. Basket 2 points. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Jersey number 0. 15 to shoot. 23 seconds. Shot down, down to win. Shot down, down to 5. Jersey number 8. Basket 2 points. 10 seconds. Jersey number 8. 5 seconds.